The Jotul Group's history can be traced back to 1853. The company began production in Norway, a country where the population has lived by nature's resources and in balance with them for centuries. In recent years, there has been an increased focus on the environment among the population, and there is a common understanding that we can no longer continue to exploit nature as we have in the past. Society must focus on sustainable development. At the Jotul Group, we're concerned that coming generations will be able to benefit from nature and enjoy the same pleasure from it that we do today. That is why we work continuously towards developing modern and innovative products with a strong focus on the environment and on efficiency. Our aim is to keep you warm with the Jotul Group products and warm with a good conscience. That's why clean burning is a matter of course for us. This stove is a good example. It's currently the world's cleanest burning wood stove.
My name is René Christensen and I'm Senior Vice President Sales in the Jotul Group. We continually focus on developing fireplaces with minimum environmental impact. The results are impressive so far. Figures from the Norwegian Pollution Control Authority show reduced particle emission by 14,000 tons annually. This is due to the conversion to clean burning wood stoves.
This is why the Jotul Group works together with the Norwegian Society for the Conservation of Nature to spread information about and promote the conservation of our environment. A clean burning stove from the Jotul Group needs much less wood than the old non-clean burn stoves to produce the same amount of heat. If you burn wood correctly, you can almost halve your consumption of wood. You get a maximum of heat from burning wood without harming the environment. In addition, you save money by consuming less. A wood stove with modern technology is a unique heat source when compared to fossil fuel solutions.
Considering wood is CO2 neutral and a renewable energy source, it presents a good, environmentally friendly alternative.
The amount of CO2 released is no higher than the amount the tree has absorbed from the surrounding air during its lifetime. When a tree is felled, natural balance is maintained when a new one is planted in its place. The Norwegian standard NS 3058 has one of the world's most stringent demands regarding emissions. In this context, Norway is a leading country when it comes to replacing old, low-efficiency stoves. Testing methods in the majority of other countries focus mainly on the degree of efficiency and not on particle emission. The Norwegian test standard has a particularly strict demand for clean combustion on low burn rate. It requires that stoves must burn environmentally friendly on all burn rates. This is important, since studies show that most people are burning wood on a low burn rate. Remember that replacing your old stove with a clean burning stove is in itself beneficial for the environment. This is because the new stove has an efficiency of up to 80%, while an ordinary stove can have efficiency as low as 50%. At the Jotul Group, we're continuously working on the next generation of stoves, and we emphasize the environment throughout the life cycle of our products. In Jotul's production, the main raw material is recycled scrap iron. The source of energy we use in smelting the iron is almost exclusively hydroelectric power. Our goal is to produce as little strain on the environment as possible. We want our customers to be able to use their stoves with a good conscience for many years to come. Let us together contribute to sustainable development.